Did you know that cats don't sweat? It's actually really hot outside, so we can't open these because the sunlight would like kill us. But Freyja is also really hot. She just stays on the ground these days, you know, on the floor. Sometimes she changes position. At night, she does go out and wander around. Poor baby. I don't let her go out during the day. It's just too hot and sunny. So then she really likes to relax in the balconies or in the garden or here on the windowsill. Did you know that cats don't sweat? So licking themselves is kind of helps them to cool off a bit too. It is really hot. It's really hot these days. It's into the 30s.